Thank you for taking the time to learn more about auto-graded coding labs found in MindTap courses for programming languages. Programming languages for AP Java, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as AP Computer Science principles. Auto-graded coding labs are found in MindTaps for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, Python, C++, and Java courses. Inside an auto-graded coding lab, students have their instructions in the left-hand column and can easily expand and view any figures that are part of the instructions. Students have basic instructions on how the lab works and how they will be graded, and then have tasks that they must complete listed step by step within the assignment. Within the middle of the simulation is where students will actually work on their code. As students write code, they can always click the refresh button to view the output of their program. For HTML courses, students can also view that output within a web browser. After students have been working on the lab, they can go over to the instructions page and check how they've done on every task in the assignment by clicking the box next to that task. Students will get instant feedback on how they are completing each check within the assignment. Once students are ready to complete and submit the assignment, they can select the task view. Students again can check their code and click Submit for an auto grade. Once a student submits a coding lab, they can click on the assignment again, and they'll be able to see their detail report, which gives them a quick description of the lab, the number of attempts that they can make, their recently uploaded score, and their attempt history. Students and teachers can review each attempt that the student has had on an assignment and click Detailed Review to be able to see the lab itself and all of the checks. For assignments that are allowed multiple attempts, students can come in here and click Start New Attempt to try again. Teachers view student attempts using the Progress app on the right-hand app dock. When the Progress app opens, the home screen will show any recently submitted assignments. Click on the assignment and you'll see all the students listed who completed that assignment with their last submission date, their score, and the number of attempts. Click a student name and you will be able to either extend the due date for the student if you have added a due date to the assignment, and you can view their attempts by clicking the View button. Click Detailed Review. Teachers can then see student code, view their output, and run checks to see the feedback that students received on each task. While students are in progress of a next attempt, you will see an ellipses for where students are still working on the assignment. Add notes to communicate with your students and give them feedback. The Instructor Companion site for programming language courses will include solution files for all of the coding labs found in instructor downloads. Some of these files will also be annotated. Annotated solution files will include the solution code as well as teacher tips and information for what to check for in student code. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about auto-graded coding labs in MindTap for programming languages. You can always find us at ngl.cengage.com/CTE.